Hi ma'am, good morning. So meron tayong client ngayon, si ma'am and si sir. Hi ma'am, kasi this is the second time na magkikita tayo. Ito po yung check kong Fortuner. Okay ma'am, sige po. I will proceed checking. Hi sir, good morning. Hello sir. Ayan. So ito yung video check natin. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Makati guys to check itong Toyota Fortuner V-Variant ata to. And yes, V-Variant nga. Okay. So first procedure natin, kabit muna natin itong ating mahiwagang scanner. Mukhang lobat na-charge ko kaya. Okay, thank you idol. Ilan pa po yung susi nyo sir?
Dalawa po.
Dalawa pa naman. Okay, thank you. Yan, so pagpasensyahan nyo na guys kung medyo madilim ha. Tinted eh. Tinted itong ating Fortuner na i-check. Kabit muna natin yung ating dongle. Ayan. This is V-Variant, so push start. Oh, ayaw niya ma-detect. Yun na. Bakit ganon? Okay. Ayan, so diagnose tayo. Then Toyota. Diagnose. Sabi nila this is a 2018 daw yata na Toyota Fortuner V. Based dito sa kanyang seatbelt, this is 2018. Okay, start na tayo ng scanning guys. So check ko muna yung other parts ng sasakyan habang nag-i-scan tayo. Gumagana naman yung kanyang power seats. Okay. So dito sa kanyang body, kanyang gulong napakakapal pa. Actually parang brand new pa. And 2023. 8th week ng 2023, so bagong palit yung kanyang gulong. Maganda naman yung kain ng kanyang brakes. Brake pads, hindi ko makita kung makapal pa. Kapal pa ba? Ah, okay, makapal pa naman. Okay. Engine oil niya, ma'am, is malinis pa naman po. Yes, ma'am. Kung kaka-change oil pa lang naman ito.
Nilinis nila yung makina?
Yes, ma'am. Kasama siguro sa ano nila yung detailing talaga.
So, anong klaseng makina to?
Diesel na yan, ma'am. Wait lang po. Malinis naman ma'am yung oil filler cap niya, so no sign na naghahalo yung coolant tsaka yung langis natin. Sa kanyang reserve maganda rin eh. Malinis naman ma'am dito. Wala naman pong sign na naghahalo yung coolant tsaka yung kanyang engine oil. Mukhang bagong palit po yung mga tires niya ma'am eh. Opo.
Anong tread light niya?
Bakit pa yan ma'am? Siguro mga nasa 90 or 100, almost 100 pa nga yan.
Anong year manufacturer?
2023 ma'am. 3rd week. 8th week pala. Mga February, last week ng February 2023.
So yung apat na gulong?
This year lang po. Yes ma'am. Although yung brand po kasi ng kanyang gulong is Wanli.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Made in China po. Ang kanyang gulong.
Pero hindi naman problematic.
Made in China. Napakakapal pa po, ma'am.
Hindi ibig sabihin in terms of
usage.
lifespan.
Actually, ma'am,
hindi.
Mas maikli ang usage kasi ng gantong klase ng gulong.
Ganun. Anong ilang years kaya?
Hindi ka masabi, ma'am eh.
Miles.
Kasi I'm not using this type of tire eh. Mas preferred ko, ma'am, kung gagamit ako, ma'am, ng
Dunlop.
Chinese brand. So, mas maganda, syempre, ma'am, yung mga Dunlop, Goodyear, Bridgestone. Yun po.
Pero for the time being, we don't review every 15.
Yan ma'am. So properly working naman yung kanyang power lift gate. Yan. Ito lang po yung medyo disadvantage ninyo ma'am ha. So you know naman Fortuner, ang third row seat natin is nilalatag pa. Tsaka sinasampay dito sa gilid. Ayan.
Paano?
Ayan po.
And then you lift it.
Yan. Yes, ma'am. Kapag i-release nyo na, ma'am, all you have to do is to pull this one.
Yeah.
Then isasabit nyo po ito.
Meron namang manual.
Sasabit nyo po siya dito. Complete pa naman, ma'am, yung tires, tools niya. I will check, ma'am, yung spare tire niya po.
Yeah. I don't know if it's underneath.
Underneath, ma'am. Tapos dito nyo po susundutin yung tire para bumaba po. Yung tire natin, ma'am, is used na pero makapal pa naman.
Parehong brand?
Bridgestone, ma'am.
Ah, Bridgestone.
Yes, ma'am.
Magkano ba ang Bridgestone dito? Red?
Maybe nasa 11K?
11 is what?
Sir, ganito. Kasi kanina pa, ma'am, medyo I don't know ako malambot, mahina lang yung battery ng remote. Kasi kanina pa siya key not detected or ang tawag doon? Key not. Hindi
undetected.
Oo, undetected kasi yung key natin. Pero try ko ulit mamaya, ma'am, kung magbabago.
Ay, yung remote key.
Ito pong remote key niya, ma'am. Kasi hindi na po kayo hindi na kayo, ma'am, gagamit ng physical key and starting kasi push button na po ito.
Oo.
So as of now, guys, magte-test drive kami. And ito po kasi, ma'am, when testing yung air condition ng sasakyan, I always put it sa 23 settings.
Which is what? Medium or high?
Yung kanyang temperature is 23 and then yung ating fan is only 2. Ngayon dapat kaya niya pong palamigin yung buong interior ng ating sasakyan.
Saan yan medium setting?
For the lowest setting, ma'am. Actually, 2 or 1. Kapag kaya niya pong palamigin ang loob ng sasakyan ng ganyan lang ang settings, ibig sabihin ma'am, maganda po yung condition ng ating
Maganda pa ang
yes, ma'am, ng ating air condition. Opo. Okay, guys, so finish na kami with the test drive and everything is good naman with me. Responsive naman yung engine. No shift shock, no delayed shifting. Ma'am, we are already at the final scanning. I will check po kung ano po yung lalabas na result dito. Will be the final result already. This is 2018 Smart Key. I'm checking, ma'am, yung smoke emission niya. Sige po, okay na po. Okay na, sir, okay na. Kasi, ma'am, kapag ka
Okay na?
Okay na po. Kasi, ma'am, I'm checking kung masyadong maraming ilalabas na smoke. Okay, guys, so say thank you na lang sa ating client for today, Mr. Brady. Mr. Brady, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. What's your name?
Laura.
Ma'am Laura. Okay, so maraming salamat, guys, sa inyong panonood, and kita-kita po tayo next video.